Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use the test function in Excel sheet. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. Okay, I want to use this one by one function. Okay, just enter is equal to right trim tab and just select the cell. Okay, you can drag this formula and there is a second option. You can just double click here, then formula will automatically paste on other cell. Okay, you can see here the data will trim, the space will edit, and data will comes in perfect fit in every cell. Okay, second function we will use just is equal to write the proper tab and select this trim column and just enter. You can see here the east e is a comes in caps, j is a comes in caps, and other is small letter. That is a set in proper way. Okay, then I will just copy paste on other column also. You can see here the difference. All data set in proper with caps. First letter is in caps and second one is small letter. Third, this is for uppercase. All letter will be uppercase. Comes. Just enter. You can see all letter comes in uppercase. See. Fourth one just is equal to enter the lower tab. Just select it and enter. You can see here all is comes in lowercase. Len means length of the word. Okay, they also consider space length also. Okay, just is equal to write the length tab, just select the text, enter the 10th length of this word. Just double click, you can see here all length is calculated automatically. Okay, that's it. Thank you.